In today's segment, we're going to continue our conversation when it comes to insurance. And more specifically, we want to talk about what happens if your vehicle is deemed a total loss. As we've spoken about earlier, a total loss is when repairs exceed the value of the vehicle, which is determined by the insurance company. And if that does happen, there's usually two endings to that conversation. We've had customers that are done with the car and they want it to go away, which is, I'd say, probably 98% of the customers out there. And then we have usually 1 or 2% that say, hey, I love this vehicle, it's been in the family forever, my spouse gave it to me and I want to retain it. So if that is the case, what happens is the insurance company will make you an offer for the replacement, current market value and replacement value, basically for you to be able to go out, purchase a very similar, like kind and quality vehicle, similar mileage, within a reasonable distance of your home. If not, then you should also tack on mileage fees, transportation fees, taxes, things of that nature. And then the second offer, if you decide that you do want to hang on to your vehicle, is they will figure out whatever the current salvage value is for the vehicle, and those values are rather high right now because supply chain issues with OEM parts, as well as just getting vehicles into the salvages are a challenge these days. What they'll do is they take the current market value of your vehicle in that salvage condition, they'll deduct that from whatever that offer is that they're going to make you, and then they'll make that remaining balance. That's what they'll offer you if you if you desire to retain the vehicle. On the side of the repair facilities, or for us, the vehicle repair professionals, we follow the process the same way every single vehicle when it comes in, from our check-in to our blueprinting, and then we let the insurance company figure out, if the vehicle's repairable, if not, which avenue we're going down. In this case, this is a 2015 Audi. It was deemed a total loss. As you can tell, it's got some severe damage here in the apron, and actually once we blueprinted and got into it, we saw the frame rail and energy was transferred clear back into the firewall. So this one, repairs did exceed the value. In that case, what most shops, and including us, what we do is we charge for everything that was required and necessary throughout our check-in process, the same process we do whether the vehicle's repairable or not. And then we also have our like storage fees, blueprinting time for the technician, tear down time, things like that. This particular case, the insurance company, we learned on the front side, had attempted to steer our client to another repair facility, and it's one of their DRPs or one of their discount repair shops, which is actually illegal in the state of Kansas, because at the end of the day, it's up to the consumer as far as where they want to take the vehicle. You can take it to one of those shops, you can take it to any shop you choose, you can take it home, fix it in your garage if you want, but the insurance companies are not allowed to tell you where to take it. They can make recommendations, but at the end of the day, those recommendations are strictly to benefit the insurance company, because in doing so, when the insurance company steers you to that shop, they have a relationship or a contract with that body shop or that collision repair facility, in which, in exchange for a volume of cars going to them, the shop gives the insurer discounted labor rates, discounted material rates, and discounted parts rates. So there's no benefit for the consumer, and actually, from what we've seen, it actually can be detrimental to the consumer, because they're not following OEM repair procedures, they're not using factory OEM parts, and they're not following the guidelines by the engineers who designed the vehicle. So going back to what we're talking about with the insurance company on this one, we found out that they had attempted to illegally steer them to another discount repair shop, and in doing so, then when we figure up our total loss bill, we go ahead and put on a total loss, or I'm sorry, we put on a steering fee. And that is simply because we're trying to change the behavior of the insurance company. It's not about the money. It could be $1, it could be $10,000. It really doesn't matter. What we're trying to do is get these insurance companies to properly train their employees, their team members, in the correct language and verbiage to educate our consumers about these types of repairs, and that at the end of the day, it's their choice of where they want to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.